see that crazy screen which is all distorted by pressing alt control and delete. So I'm back to the loading screen. I'm gonna try to enter password one more time. If it does not work, does not give me a proper desktop and a good screen, I'm gonna simply go and install Windows on it. Nothing happening. Okay, yep, so it started. Let's see if there's sound. Oh yeah, sound is working surprisingly, and it is connected to the network name. On the virtual machine it was not it was not giving any sounds, so this is good. Let's see if this works. Web browser, that's all I need for the time being. It does. Let's try to go to YouTube and play a video and see if I'm able to. What? No. Okay, so far I don't see that I have to download any drivers of any kind. A 51 spooky.
My name is Malcolm Whitley. My father is one of the most notorious serial killers since Jack the Ripper, all while raising me as the perfect dad. I can help you.
Okay, the touchscreen on the video is a little spotty, but overall it's working, so it looks like it's good. And let's see what happens when I press the Windows button. The screen darkens a little bit, but nothing happens other than that. Escape. So loading, and now what happens? So Windows button basically is like a toggle, but no, what did it do? Okay, and pressing window, basically you can okay, what's on over there? Is it another desktop? Is it like a multiple desktop thing, like virtual desktops? I'm not sure. Rhythm box, I don't want to. Let's click on open, and then a firebar, and open the Ubuntu software. Click on help, multiple windows open, and now we'll see what happened when I pressed. Oh, okay, so this is basically like pressing Windows button kind of works like the feature in Windows where you can uh, press window and tab together and it gives you all these screens to choose from. That's what happens on Ubuntu. So I can click on any and that will come to the front. Okay, nothing happened there. Well, it's good. So I'm gonna turn off the video and play with it a little bit, but Ubuntu is installed, it's working, I'm happy. Yay. Thanks for watching. Bye.